OBD, or Onboard Diagnostic System, can be regarded as one of the numerous boons of the modern science, which has made our life easy and convenient. It offers the user or the technician of a vehicle an enhanced access to various systems and mechanisms working inside the car and informs if the vehicle is having a problem in any of its components. This helps the user quickly identify the issue and take up remedial steps without having to search for it in every nook and corner of the vehicle. Moreover, it is also a very useful way to keep your vehicle under constant monitoring and thus keep up a healthy vehicle condition all through its life. In any case, having a good OBD2 scanner will greatly reduce the time it takes to fix a wide range of engine problems and make your job easier. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best OBD2 scanners to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Autel AutoLink AL319. With a large format screen, a compact design, and easy-to-read instructions, this OBD2 scanner from Autel makes it simple to diagnose what's going on with your car. This is a plug-and-play model, meaning that you just plug it in to the OBD2 port, see what's wrong, and figure out the best solution. This scanner will show you all the most common check engine codes, as well as the vehicle-specific codes that you may encounter. The system has thousands of options from which to choose, and it works on all newer models as well. With the AutoLink AL319, you can quickly see what's happening and navigate through the intuitive menu options. Having a scanner in your garage is convenient, but that also means that it can get some rough treatment, especially if you don't use it too often. Fortunately, the AutoLink AL319 has a rugged housing to protect the sensor, so it will stay in pristine condition for longer. As car manufacturers update their diagnosis lists, you can download new codes and resolutions to the scanner directly using its networking capabilities. Thus, you can always be sure that you have the most up-to-date system. Number 4. OBD Link LX427201. One issue with onboard scanners that stay plugged into your car is that they can sometimes drain the battery since there is no on-off switch for the device. You may be putting yourself at risk of coming out to a dead battery when you try to start the vehicle. Fortunately, this model doesn't have that issue as internal sensor will keep it from drawing power at all times. Thus, you can have it plugged in without worry, making this a viable option for everyone. As with other Bluetooth OBD2 scanners, this model doesn't come with its own diagnostic app. Since there are more third-party options for Android devices, this unit is not compatible with iOS features. Nonetheless, as long as you have an Android smartphone, you can download and use virtually any OBD2 app and sync it to this device. Doing so will enable you to check on your car systems anytime you wish. Another issue with some Bluetooth scanners is that they can be hacked since the signal is emitted at all times. Other people can sync to the device and see what's going on in your car. Fortunately, this model has wireless encryption so you can stay safe no matter who is in the vicinity. You don't have to wait to see what's happening underneath the hood. The OBD Link 427201 is much quicker than the competition. Get diagnostics in a blink of an eye and stream live data with no interruptions. Number 3. Ansell AD410. It is another handheld device that plugs into your car's OBD2 port. This compact and lightweight model makes it easy to see what's going on thanks to the large backlit screen and easy to understand instructions. What makes this scanner better than the others is that it comes with additional diagnostic tools and it allows you to turn the check engine light off. Not all scanners have that capability, which make this an excellent choice for any user. While it's not as as easy to read as your smartphone, the screen on the OBD2 scanner is more prominent than the most, ensuring that you can see what's going on without any problems. Searching for the right code and reading the solution is super easy, as you can do it at any time, even in low light conditions. If you want to get a detailed report about the issue in your car, you may prefer having a printout than reading everything on the device itself. This model allows you to print each report wirelessly, keeping all of the statements to build a customized manual for your vehicle. With other OBD2 scanners, you can spend more time searching for the right option than you would fixing the problem. This system is intuitive and ensures that you can figure out what's going on in seconds, not minutes. Number 2. BAFX OBD2. This OBD2 scanner is designed to work on all vehicles purchased in the US, model year 1996 or newer, as a guarantee from the manufacturer. Whether your car runs on gas, diesel, or hybrid, old or new, it will work with it. Its features include a monitor and an analyzer to check O2 sensors, fuel trim, air-fuel ratio, DPF oil, coolant, temperature, fuel pressure, and read and clear your check engine light, all at a reasonable price. Rather than having to keep your scanner handy in the garage or in your car, this device will attach to your sensor and stay there for as long as you like. Thus, you'll be able to diagnose issues and check data anytime you want. Even if you don't have a check engine light on, it can be helpful to see what's happening underneath the hood, so you can be sure that you're getting the most out of your vehicle. Some tasks you can fulfill with this scanner include reading your check engine light codes, reset, clear the check engine light, pull sensor readings related to the OBD2 of your car or emission system, grab sensor reading for different data such as O2, AF, throttle, speed, fuel trim, balance rates, RPMs, and load value. You can also perform smoke emission tests, data logging, and map-based tracking on your sensor readings. However, it only works with an Android or Windows-based device only. Number 1. BlueDriver LSB2. Considering that we all have smartphones these days, it makes sense to buy an OBD2 scanner that can connect to your mobile device for your convenience. The BlueDriver's Bluetooth scanner makes it super easy to check and figure out what's going on under the hood, thanks to the Bluetooth Center and the accompanying app. Best of all, you can install this sensor into your car once and have it readily available whenever you need it. BlueDriver has vast community of mechanics and users that post their fixes to almost any problems you can encounter. With over 6 million such reports available from the app, you don't even have to be that knowledgeable about cars to discover the best way to fix any issues you come across. The BlueDriver scanner is compatible with both Android and iPhone users. With the smartphone app from BlueDriver, you can do more than figure out what your codes mean. The app allows you to save data, live stream information to your phone, and contact support to find out what's going on all immediately. BlueDriver has a vast community of mechanics and users that post their fix to any problems you can encounter. The support is open 24/7, which is great. The database of repair information is also really great. If you are looking for a cheaper scanner that has most functions as the other more expensive scanners, this should be your choice. The computer is an important part of your vehicle. It can monitor all systems and warn you when something isn't working right. This warning normally comes with a check engine light, and that is why you connect a code reader or a scanner to your OBD2 port. But this warning is only as good as the OBD2 scanner you are using. That is why it is important to have a good one. Getting the best OBD2 scanner is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.